Hello there, and welcome to my very first video. I'm John McJay, and I really hope that you enjoy my playthrough of Rain World. Alright, so I've messed around a little bit in the arena just to kind of get a feel for things. So, better get my timer set. Yeah, I haven't explored the game much. My experience so far is just with the arena and with the trailer. I saw the game a while back, and I've really wanted to play it ever since. And since the Steam sale finally put it on sale, I grabbed it, and now I'm going to play. So, yeah, if I mess up or I'm not super great, I apologize. Or if for whatever reason the video starts on fire, well, stuff happens. I just hope that you have patience with my very first time. Thank you. All right. What are these? The monk. Weak of body but strong of spirit, in tune with the mysteries of the world, and empathetic to its creatures, your journey will be a significantly more peaceful one. Oh, are these like difficulty levels? Okay. I don't want to go for easiest, but I feel like I'm gonna suck at this since I died so much on the arena. I'll try the survivor. A nimble omnivore, both predator and prey, lost in a harsh and indifferent land, you must make your own way, with wit and caution as your greatest assets. Okay. Oh, I gotta hold. All right. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love the artwork in this. I really like the colors too. Oh yeah, where these are like cat slug creature things with their dead black soulless eyes. They're still cute though. Are those like giant moths? Well, they're ripping them to shreds there. Oh yeah, and the rain. I really want to know, like, why that's a thing. Like, why is there just like a giant torrential downpour that just floods everything? Uh-oh, what's going on here? Lost baby? Is that us? Ooh, now it's green? Is that like a toxic pool of waste or something? Uh-oh. If I suck too much, I'll go down to the monk. Oh, there I am. Oh yeah, no, I'm playing with a controller, as you can probably see. I like that shadow. That's neat. So, where am I supposed to go exactly? Huh? You are hungry. Find food. Of course. Are those my little legs there? What is that? Hello? Huh? Am I supposed to follow it? Where do I go? Lead the way, O wise one. Wait, what? Huh? A? I'm jumping. Am I supposed to get up there somehow? Huh? I don't understand. Go back this way? No? What are you trying to get me to do? What? I assume I can't just have like a super jump, so I'm gonna go this way. Okay. What's over here? What's that? What's that mean? Is that food? Yeah. And how do I eat again? Catch and eat them. How? Tap X. Tap X. Oh, hold X. Okay. You should make that a little more clear. Like, push it down instead of, like, rapidly tapping. Just ripping their wings off, just violently. I don't know if these things are quite as cute as they once were. I love these animations. I'm not sure if it makes the creature cuter or more terrifying. Right. What are you trying to get me to do? This way. Okay. And where to now? Oh, there's two other ways over here. Okay. What? What's that symbol mean? What? Jump and grab them. They're delicious. What? So I can eat meat or these blue things? Wait, what happens if I try to eat when I'm already full? Nothing? I can't? Oh, okay. Alright. Now where? Over here? Okay. Where does this go? Well, that didn't work. Down. Okay. I don't think I can. Oh, is it trying to tell me to hold it down? Ah, I'm smart. There we go. Okay. Oop. So is this shelter? Yeah. Whoa. Oh boy. Definitely gonna be safe now. Holy crap. Oh, I use up 4 food when I sleep? Okay. I guess that makes sense. But dude, what happened so that there's stuff like this, such heavy-duty locking mechanisms like this? Like, I understand, like, there's floods, but why are there floods? And why did society try to adapt to these floods? I understand why they tried to adapt to them. I'm sure you kind of get what I mean. I hope. Objects can be picked up, carried, and tossed. Okay, I got that from the arena. Wait, you want me to go down there? Okay. Oh yeah, can I toss them at these things? Hey, I can! That's a little sad, but hey, it's useful. Well, there go your wings. Can I just kind of rip off their wings and then throw them? Wait, I just saw you hide over here. Oh, I can't get them when they hide. I see. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it didn't work. I hit him too fast. Wait a second. Can I throw upwards? No. Well, that kind of sucks. Why can't I throw upwards? What the heck? Whatever. Now, how do I get over there? What do you want me to do, eye stalk? Can I plant, dude? Is it an eye? What is it? I don't know what this thing is. Oh, hey, bats. Wait. What if I want to explore a bit? Should I go? Are those frogs over there? What was that was jumping? Those crickets or those frogs? I think those are frogs. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna see what's over here. Ooh, can I grab the bugs? Maybe? Oh! There's no point. I'm full anyway. Aren't I? Aren't I full? Oh, what's over here? What's this? Ooh, what's that? Ooh, those are bad guys. Ooh. Can I make it around him somehow? What is this? A spear? Uh-oh. Uh-oh! Uh-oh, he saw me. He saw me! That didn't work. Uh-oh! Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh! So I should try to make my way over there? What's over here then? How long until like the rains start coming down? Do I have like a timer that shows me? Ooh. Ooh! Uh-oh! Back the other way. Oh no. Okay. Ooh, I'm in a bad situation, aren't I? Uno. Uno. Oh no no. Can I? Ooh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are they angry because they see me or what? What's going on? Are they fighting each other? Oh, that's so interesting. I mean, I know I saw this a bit in the arena, but still. What's this? Here is a strange energy. What is it? Do I throw it? Can I pick it back up? What? What is this? It keeps highlighting, but... Uh-oh. I think I got it stuck. Or maybe I planted it. I did something to it, and now I can't grab it. Okay. Where'd the eye stalk creature go? I don't see him. Did he give up on me? Was I such a disappointment that he just left me alone? Wait, there he is. Where do I go? I'm lost. I just went that way. Why couldn't you tell me this sooner? How do I get back up there? Like this? Yes? I think. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So, what do I do next? Oh, I grabbed it again. Okay. I'll try eating it then. Okay, what does that mean? What? Am I gonna mutate or something? Am I gonna turn into one of those green creatures down there? What's going on? I don't understand. Okay, where'd the eye stalk go again? Because I'm lost again. I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm probably gonna get myself killed. Down here? Where is this? Where do I go? Uh-oh. Down here? Where do I go? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where do I go? I'm lost! Help me! Oh no. Oh, this is, the other place. The place I was just at, right? Was I supposed to go over here? I don't know what I'm doing. Huh. Okay, I gotta find more food again. Do I have like a limited number of days, or what's going on? And why is the symbol like back on this day? What was that strange plant that I ate? What did it do to me? Am I like gonna sprout wings or something? Like, are my ears gonna turn into wings? I don't get what's going on. Okay. Lead the way. You know what? I'm gonna call him Jerry. Lead the way, Jerry. Oh, is there like a limited amount of food in each area? Oh, no, there they are. I'm just really bad at catching them, it seems. Also, aside from like getting enough food to hibernate, is there an objective? Wait, didn't I climb this before? Yeah, like that, okay. Okay, Jerry, where do I go? I don't want shelter. I want to explore. Can you show me, like, somewhere else I can go? Uh-oh. No, I'm not going that way. Uh-oh. He's coming for me, I think. Oh, no, I was just over here. You're leading me astray, Jerry. Uh-oh. Like, what created these weird salamander things? Like, is it the result of like, uh-oh, no. Uh-oh. Okay, I think I'm safe now, hopefully. But was it like the result of some sort of like a nuclear fallout or mass pollution? What is that? Is that something else I can eat? It doesn't look like I can eat it. I'm just kind of holding it. Well, that's weird. Oh, okay. I'm going the exact opposite direction Jerry wants me to go. Okay, where do you want me to go this time? Down here? I'm going down here. Ooh, what's this? Wait. Where does this lead? What? What? Whoa. Whoa. What is that? Why is that like that? Ooh, uh-oh. That's no good. I get the feeling that thing can hurt me. Can I get around it? Hey, yeah, I can. Oh, no. Ooh. Can I still go this way? Ooh. Oh no. Ooh, okay. Oh. There's a salamander right there. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. I made it. Oh. Oh crap. Where do I go? Where am I supposed to go? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, hey. Was I supposed to go this way? Probably not. Huh. I still don't know what my objective is here. What am I doing? Is it just free-form exploration? Just see the environment? Or is there something else that I'm supposed to be doing here? I don't know. The environments are neat, but, like, I feel like I should be doing something else, too. Wait a second. Okay. What is that blue thing? What? Uh-oh. What is that? What? Whoa. Uh-oh, I died, didn't I? Well, that happened. Well, there's my corpse. Whoa! Why did a flower sprout from me? Is that from eating the flower? Does it just, like... Is it like a parasite that waits until the host is dead and then sprouts from them? Huh. Oh, I'm back here. Okay. So when you die, you go back to the previous... or the same day? Is that how it works? Oh! That didn't work. Uh-oh. Oh! Ooh, this isn't good. Whoa! Mother Nature is fighting itself. That's good for me. Because then I can escape. Okay, Jerry, where should I go? Tell me. This way, okay. Whoa! Oh, I didn't even notice that. Ooh. Are these bug things safe? Are they hostile? I will assume they're maybe hostile? What are those red things? Oh! How do I get over here? Like that. Okay. What are these? What's this? How do I get up there? Jerry, tell me. I don't know what I'm doing. Help me. Ooh. Ooh. Bat. There we go. I don't want to hibernate, though. I want to explore. I want to learn more about this world. What's going on here? Can I find another one of those flowers? Why is there water here? Is the water safe? Can I drown in it? Ooh. Ooh, uh-oh, no. Ah. Where's he taking me? Yeah, whatever. Okay, so what's going on now? Wait, what? So no more flour. And did I go back to the previous day? What's going on here? Cycle 3 outskirts. No, I'm in the same place, aren't I? Can I die from falling at all? Again, what is that? What is that? What? Sandbox item unlocked. What? Okay. I have escaped. Where did I go? Over here? Okay. Okay. Ooh boy. Okay, I have food. That's good. I'm just gonna balance over here as I eat. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Also, can those moving things hurt me? I guess not. Sandbox item again? What? What are these? What's the sandbox? Do you, like, unlock that from the from obtaining items? New arenas unlocked, okay. Whoa, what's this? Those are clearly letters. Well, not letters, but, you know. Japanese characters? Maybe? Up this way? Down? What? What am I supposed to do here? I don't understand. I also like this little graffiti over here. This is neat. This is just so weird. We're in a desolate wasteland as some mutant slug cat creature. Exploring the ruins of, I assume, a once human civilization. Okay, okay. Ooh, that was dangerous. Okay, okay. Uh-oh. Aren't they following me? No, they're fighting. Okay. Ooh, where do I go? Oh, I can wall jump. Cool. Alright, okay. All right. So I'm over here now. And, should I hibernate? Whoa, 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 whoa! What is that? Whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm going this way. Oh, that's right. That's right. Whoa. Ooh, I had something. Stop it. Okay. How do I get by this thing? I really do not feel safe over here. Is there any way around? I'll try going back this way. Oh! Sorry about that. Let me turn that off. Okay. Ah, I died while I was messing around with something. Oh, well, it's about time to stop anyway. Well. Where are they taking my corpse? How long can you watch this? Well, now nothing's happening. Oh. Huh. Well, this is certainly something. Well, anyway, I'm afraid that's all the time I have. So, yeah, if you have any suggestions or critiques about the way I'm playing or how I have this set up or just any commentary whatsoever, just feel free to let me know. Even if it's negative, I think I can deal with it. Just try to be a little bit civil if you can. And, yeah, I'll try to get another video out tomorrow, and thank you very much for watching. And, yeah, have a nice day.